Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Starting off this week with some dreary conditions out there as we are seeing some overcast, low clouds, and misty conditions. If we look at the current surface analysis, we have this area of low pressure just off the North Carolina coast, as well as some troughiness just north of that off of our coast. That's bringing some showers mainly off the coast at the moment and north of the area, but it's pumping in plenty of low-level moisture that's keeping some of these low clouds that will likely be socked into the area over the next couple days. And that boundary well off to the west, that will be moving into our area as we get to the middle of the week, but at the moment looks to be a mostly dry frontal passage for us. Current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have an overcast deck around 300 feet with 1.75 mile visibility, and again some mist in the area. Winds out of the northwest at 9 knots, temperature at 55 degrees, and relative humidity at 94%. If we take a look at the local radar at the moment, we can see most of the shower activity well off the coast, not impacting our area, with some light reflectivities being picked up north of our area on the northern part of the peninsula. We will have a slight chance of maybe seeing some drizzle or light rain as we go throughout the day today, with that low-level moisture and low clouds. Looking at the current visible satellite, we can see those clouds are socked in the area, not expecting those to go anywhere as we go throughout the day today. Otherwise, over the region, winds generally out of the northwest with just a slight breeze, nothing too significant. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out today. Again, we'll have that slight chance of some light drizzle or light rain as we go throughout the day today. The model not really showing that too well, but just a slight chance of that low-level moisture. And then as we go into the evening, we'll see a short break in that chance, and then another chance for some light drizzle and foggy conditions for tomorrow morning, as well as a chance of an afternoon shower for our Tuesday. And then going into the evening, we'll see rain chances start to diminish overnight and into Wednesday. And as that boundary starts to push through the area Wednesday, it'll bring us just a very slight chance of maybe seeing a sprinkle in the area. But right now, the front is looking to be a dry passage for us as we go throughout the day on Wednesday. So looking at the short-term weather risk chart, we do have yellow across the board for precip as we go throughout the day and into the morning hours of Tuesday, keeping that slight chance of light drizzle or light rain through the area through most of the day and into the evening. Again, we'll have a slight break in that chance and then it pick back up for the early morning hours Tuesday and into Tuesday. We do have red for reduced ceilings and visibilities this morning, as we do have those low clouds and that ceiling around 300 feet at the moment. And then as we go throughout the day, expecting those low clouds to stick around, as well as a chance of some reduced visibilities with any drizzle or light rain that we might see through the day today and into the evening. And tomorrow, overnight tonight, we'll have another chance of seeing some foggy and misty conditions for the morning hours Tuesday. Right now, tides are about a half a foot to a foot above normal. And if we take a look at the temperatures for today, we'll see temperatures would struggle to warm up too much today, again with that cloud cover in the area, expecting a high to get into the mid-60s, around 65 today. Winds generally out of the northwest, or just west or just north of northwest as we go throughout the day today, around 8 to 13 knots, with some maybe peak gust around 15 knots as we go throughout the day. And then we'll see those winds start to diminish overnight, becoming light and variable for the morning hours Tuesday. And we'll see temperatures not cool down too much, again with that cloud cover in the area, expecting a low around 58 for our Tuesday morning. If we look at the next couple days, Tuesday expecting another cloudy day, expecting those low clouds to stick around for our Tuesday with that low level moisture and light winds in the area. So cloudy day with a slight chance of drizzle early, and then we'll have that slight chance of some of a light rain shower during the afternoon hours, and a high expected around 69. So we do have that yellow for precip, as well as a yellow risk for reduced ceilings and visibilities. And as we go into Tuesday evening, expecting a cloudy evening with low clouds continuing to be in the area, and that chance of fog and mist as well with that low level of moisture still in the area with a low around 59. So we do have that chance for that yellow risk for reduced ceilings and visibilities. And we'll see the winds start to become more southerly as we go into our day on Wednesday, and we'll see the clouds start to break a bit, coming mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a light shower with that frontal passage, but again, a very slight chance of a light shower, again expecting that front to be a dry passage as it goes through the area. And we'll see a slight breeze for our Wednesday and a slightly warmer day with a high around 71. At the moment, looking green for weather risk for our Wednesday. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.